Cablelera North American Hospital Grade Power Cord NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C13, 14 Aruban Florins, 10 FT. This 14 Aruban Florins hospital grade power cord features a NEMA 5-15P connector at one end and an IEC 60320 C13 connector at the other end. It's designed and tested to connect computers, laptops, monitors, or other devices in hospital environments and medical settings. In the US and Canada, the power cords used in the medical environment must be hospital grade. Cablelera's hospital grade power cords all include the green dot marking on the 5-15P plug. The green dot assures cable meets strict regulations to allow it to be used in hospital and medical settings. Product specifications. Connector 1. NEMA 5-15P hospital grade. Connector 2. IEC 60320 C13. Connector color: clear blue. Cable color: gray color. Jacket type: SJT. Total length: 10 FT. Wire gauge: 14 Aruban Florins. Amp rating: 15A. Voltage rating: 125 volts. Certification: UL, CUL, CSA, Rose Reach. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as advertised. I am happy. This is a 14 Aruban Florins cord, which is much better than the courtesy cords that come with most electronics. It is exactly what it is supposed to be, and that's all I require. It has 14 gauge copper wires, a lot of insulation, and the wall plug is contoured, making it easy to grip. That's it.